Hello children, in this video I am going to brief you work done from 13 July to 17 July in OVC. Subject English. Let's see who is coming. Yes, it's alphabet B. Capital B, small b. B says Bubba. B says Bubba. Letter B, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Letter B, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Come, let's talk about letter B. Letter B, let's talk about letter B. B says Bubba, bag. B says Bubba, boy. B says Bubba, bus. B says Bubba, ball. B says Bubba, book. B says Bubba, boat. Now come, we will learn some more words. For example, flower name, vegetable name, fruit name with alphabet B. Yes, this is the flower. B says Bubba, buttercup. Vegetable name with B. B says Bubba, bitter gourd. Fruit name with alphabet B. B says Bubba, banana. One object name or thing name with alphabet B. That is B says Bubba, basket. Animal name B says Bubba, bear. City name B says Bubba, Bangalore. And country name with B. B says Bubba, Bangladesh. Yes, what is this? This is a burger. Yes, B says Bubba, burger. Don't forget to sing the phonetic song A to Z. Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now the sound. Apple, apple, lemon, X, Z. Wow, clap all of you. Before we start for coloring and writing part of alphabet B, let me recap the words related to alphabet A. Flower name A says aster. Vegetable name A says avocado. Fruit name A says apricot. Object or thing name A says abacus. Animal or reptile A says anaconda. City name A says Ahmedabad. Country name A says America. Now you are familiar with alphabet B. So you will do coloring in block of B. Yes, on 10th of July, coloring in block of B done in spiral book. We will do coloring in block of capital B. You can do coloring of your choice. First, make border. Then fill it. Same way you can do with small b. You can take any other color also. Make border. And fill it with color. Take care that the color should not go outside the border. Yes, we have finished it. Capital B, small b. Let's learn how to write capital B and small b. Capital B, small b. For capital B, start from the top red line, draw a standing line, then go back to the top line and make a right curve up to the first blue line. Then make another curve touching the bottom blue line. This is capital B. For small b, make a standing line from red line to blue line. Go up to the blue line and make a right curve. This is small b. This way you will write in your workbook and notebook. Now I think you are ready to write in the workbook and notebook. I think you are ready to do writing in workbook and notebook. So first we will start with the workbook. On 13.7.20 in English workbook, writing part of small b and capital B done. Before we start with the writing part, let us say the sound of B. Small b, capital B, b, b. Small b as in boy, capital B as in boy. Small b as in ball, capital B as in ball. Small b as in basket, capital B as in basket. Now we will do picture reading. Yes, you have to see the picture and say, the boy with the hat hit the, what you can see? Yes, it's a ball with the bat. The ball struck a bee hive. The boy ran to hive. The bees buzzed around. Buzzed around. Yes, the boy was with the hat and he hit the ball with the bat. And what happened? The ball struck a beehive. Beehive मतलब मधुमक्खी का छत्ता. आप सोचो, जब बॉल मधुमक्खी के छत्ते को लगी तो क्या हुआ होगा? Yes, the boy ran to hide. Hide means छुपना. बॉय तो भागा छुपने के लिए. और bees क्या कर रही थी? They were buzzing around. Buzzing, जो bee sound निकालती है ना, zzz, that is called buzzed. So what they were doing? They were buzzing around. Now we will do writing. Yes, first what you will do? You will trace the small b. Make a standing line from red line to blue line. Make a straight line. Then go up and make a right curve. That is small b. Again, make a standing line up to blue line. Then go up and make a right curve. Small b. Don't forget to say the words while writing. Yes. B says Baba basket. B says Baba belt. B says Baba what you like to eat. What we get from McDonald's. Yes, B says Baba burger. B says Baba Mama wears in hand. That is bangle. B says Baba bread. B says Baba the meal you eat in the morning. What we say? Yes, that is breakfast. B says Baba what you eat in breakfast? Bread. B says Baba bread. B says Baba butter. Yes. Now we will move towards capital B. Make a standing line from red line to blue line. Then go top and make a right curve up to the first blue line. Then again one more curve joining the dot on the last blue line, that is capital B. One more time. Standing line. Make a right curve up to the first blue line. And again one more curve joining the dot on the last blue line. What you have to take care that the standing line should be straight and the curve should be proper. If you will not make it proper, then it will be wrong. So while writing, take care. And you have to say the words also related to alphabet B. So, what is the new word? B says bubba, butterfly. B says bubba, binoculars. So this way, while writing, say the words also. So you will recall all the words. Again, standing, right curve, one more curve, capital B, standing line, right curve, one more right curve, capital B. See, if you will make B this way, this will be wrong. This is also not proper. This is the correct one. Here also this is the correct one. See, this curve has gone down from the blue line. So you have to take care. It should not go out of the blue line. Now we will do in the on 14.7.20 small b and capital B writing done in E1 notebook. Small b, capital B says B. Now we will do small b in E1 notebook. The same way we have done in workbook, we will do here in the notebook. Make a standing line from red line to blue line, go up and make a right curve and touch the blue bottom line. Standing line. Take care, you have to make the standing line straight. Straight. Go up and make a right curve. You will not go beyond the blue line. Standing line, go up and make a right curve, small b. Now I will show you capital B. Standing line, straight standing line, make a right curve up to the first blue line, then again one more right curve touching the bottom blue line, capital B. Again standing line, standing line, curve. See, this way curve will be wrong. It will be wrong. You have to make it straight. The line and the curve should be proper. Standing line, make a curve and more curve, touching the bottom blue line. Yes, this is a perfect B. If you will write this way, B, Sini ma'am is going to give star to you. With small b also. This, if it will go beyond this blue line, it's not correct. This way you can write it. A smiley for this. So in E1 notebook, you will do classwork, homework like this. I am going to tell you a story about alphabet B. Yes, story of alphabet B. What you have to do? You have to listen the story carefully and pick up the words that starts with alphabet B. Yes, for that you have to listen the story very carefully. Okay, now I am going to start the story. The name of the story is Young Boy and the Blueberries. Okay? One day at a peaceful house, a young boy lived with his mother. एक दिन एक घर में एक छोटा सा बॉय उसकी मम्मा के साथ रहता था. The boy woke up. एक सुबह वो बॉय उठा and what he did? And ran to the jungles to collect the yummy blueberries. His mom allowed him to go. एक वो सुबह उठकर उसे जंगल में जाना था ब्लूबेरीज कलेक्ट करने. मम्मा ने उसे परमिशन दी. She allowed him and told him to come back soon and not to go around. और क्या कहा? जल्दी से वापस आना है और इधर उधर नहीं जाना है. The little boy took his basket and headed to the jungles. What the little boy did? He took the basket. उसने बास्केट उठाया और जंगल की तरफ निकल पड़ा. The sun was shining and the weather was fantastic. सूरज चमक रहा था और मौसम बहुत सुहाना था. He arrived and began to collect the delicious blueberries. वो वहाँ पहुँचकर उसने क्या किया? Began to collect blueberries. collect करने लगा. Until his basket become full of blueberries. जब तक उसका बास्केट blueberries से भर गया. On the way home, he found a ball on the roadside. अब घर की तरफ जाते हुए उसने क्या देखा? अ बॉल. And what he did? He started to play with the ball. He kept the basket aside and played with the ball. Who is coming? A bear is coming. And the boy is playing with the ball. Meanwhile, a bear came out of the bushes and stole the berries. उतनी ही देर में एक बैर वहां आ गया और उसके बेरीज चुरा के लेकर गया. और बॉय तो बॉल खेलने में मस्त है, उसे तो पता ही नहीं. He did not know even. He is looking for his basket. The little boy seeked his basket over and over, but never found it. Boy basket को ढूंढ रहा है, लेकिन उसको तो वो basket मिला ही नहीं. The bear had stolen and eaten the blueberries. Bear ने तो blueberries चुरा लिया और खा गया. The boy came back to his mother and told her about the basket. Boy घर आया और मम्मा को सारी बात बताई. What happened to him? She got really upset because he did not listen to her. मम्मा दुखी हो गई क्योंकि बॉय ने मम्मा की बात नहीं सुनी. The mother did not make him the blueberries pie he loves as a punishment. मम्मा ने उसके लिए blueberries pie नहीं बनाई, उसे बहुत पसंद है. क्यों? क्योंकि एज अ पनिशमेंट, ताकि उसे एक सबक मिले. He promised his mother to obey her from now on. उसने क्या किया? मम्मा को प्रॉमिस किया that मम्मा from now onwards I will obey you. मैं आपका हर कहना मानूंगा. So what you have learned from this story? That you have to obey your elders, your mother, father, teacher. Okay, now let's see who has searched the words start with letter B. Who will tell me? Yes, B, 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 B. Yes, the word was boy, basket, then ball, then bear and blueberries. Again, boy, basket, ball, bear and blueberries. Yes, good job. This is the end of the story. On 15.7.20 in English workbook, pre-writing readiness, that is a story of Mary Greenland. Children, what you have to do? You have to track and say. So, ready with your pencil? Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Wanted an adventure away from the happy green forest land. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Hand in hand join the wandering band. क्या करना था? ABCD उनको एडवेंचर चाहिए था और दूर उनको जाना था हैप्पी ग्रीन फॉरेस्ट लैंड के साथ. EFGH उन्होंने क्या किया? वो भी उनके साथ जुड़ गए. कैपिटल I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Followed them to the grassless land. IJKL ने क्या किया? They followed them. उनके पीछे पीछे गए. Where? ग्रासलेस लैंड, जहाँ ग्रास ही नहीं थी. कैपिटल M, स्मॉल m. कैपिटल N, स्मॉल n. कैपिटल O, स्मॉल o. कैपिटल P, स्मॉल p. Stay behind in the merry green land. Stay behind in the merry green land. MNOP उन्होंने क्या किया? वो तो वहीं रहे मैरी ग्रीन लैंड में. कैपिटल Q, स्मॉल q. कैपिटल R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Capital U, small u. Two stayed behind in the merry land, for they were happy in their forest land. Capital QRSTU वो भी वहीं रुक गए. Why? Because they were happy in their forest land. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. Capital X, small x. Capital Y, small y. Capital Z, small z. Also did not follow the wandering band, for they to love their merry green land. VWXYZ also did not follow. वो भी नहीं गए वो wandering band के साथ, because they loved their merry green land. In this story, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L are lost in this world of noise and pollution, and they miss the peace of their merry green land. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L वो कहाँ? वो गुम हो गए नॉइज एंड पोल्यूशन वाले वर्ल्ड में. और वो क्या कर रहे? दे आर मिसिंग देयर पीस ऑफ देयर मैरी ग्रीन लैंड. जो उनकी मैरी ग्रीन लैंड में पीस यानी शांति, वो उसको मिस कर रहे हैं. देन MNOPQRST UVWXYZ are happy. वो सब क्या है? Happy. But they miss their friends in their Maryland. लेकिन वो अपने फ्रेंड्स को मिस कर रहे हैं मैरीलैंड में. So this is the end of the story. Now, who is coming to meet you all? Yes, it's a new alphabet. Third letter of the alphabet family. Yes, A to Z family. Third letter. Do you know which is the third letter of the alphabet family? Yes, it's alphabet C. Capital C, small c. C says kaka. C says kaka. Letter C, letter C. Where are you? Here I am. Here I am. How do you do? Letter C, letter C. Where are you? Here I am. Here I am. How do you do? Come, let's talk about letter C. Yes, letter C, letter C. Let's talk about letter C. Letter C, letter C. Let's talk about letter C. C says kaka, car. C says kaka, camel. C says kaka, cake. C says kaka, corn. C says kaka, candle. Come, let's learn some more words related to alphabet C. Yes, flower name, vegetable name, fruit name, object, animal, city and country name. So flower name with alphabet C is carnation. Vegetable name, carrot. Fruit name, cherry. Object, cup. Animal name, camel. One city name, Cochin. And one country name, that is Canada. Yes, this is the flag of Canada. Now, quickly we will learn some new words with letter C. Things that starts with letter C. C says kaka, cake. C says kaka, cactus. C says kaka, camel. C says kaka, camera. C says kaka, candle. C says kaka, car. C says kaka, carpet. C says kaka, carrot. C says kaka, cat. C says kaka, caterpillar. C says kaka, cheese. C says kaka, clock. C says clothes. C says clouds. C says clown. C says coat. C says comb. C says cookies. C says corn. C says cow. C says cowboy. C says crab. C says crackers. Wow! So many words we have done. After doing words related to alphabet C, we will do coloring in the block of capital C and small c. On dated 16.7.20, coloring in the block of capital C and small c done. You have to follow the same rule for coloring to make border and then fill the color in it. Capital C. Same way for small c. Make the border and fill it with the color. To take care that the color should not go out of the line. Now we will learn how to write alphabet C. Capital C, small c. Capital C, small c. First, you will start from the top red line. Make a left curve, touching the bottom blue line. This is capital C. For small c, you will start from the first blue line, that is middle, and make a left curve touching the bottom blue line, that is small c. Same way we will write in the workbook and notebook. Now in the workbook we will write alphabet C, small c, capital C. Before that, let us say the sound of C. C says kaka. Yes. Small c as in clock. Capital C as in clock. Small c as in carrot. Capital C as in carrot. Small c as in cake. Capital C as in cake. Now let's do picture reading. My mother said the, what is the picture? Yes, it's a clock. My mother set the clock. To bake a, say the picture, cake. At 2 o'clock, she was to bake a carrot cake. But my pet cat came and played a trick. Could my mother bake the cake? The answer is on page number 23. When we will reach at page number 23, we will get that answer. So, now we will learn to write small c and capital C. For small c, you have to write within the blue line. We will write in the blue line only. For capital C, you will start from red line and then touch the bottom blue line. So, shall we start to write small c? First, trace the small c. Yes. Make a left curve and touch the bottom blue line. Again, start from the first blue line and make a left curve touching the bottom blue line. This is small c. Have you forgot to say the words related to alphabet C? Yes, you have to say it. C says cow. C says cat. C says comb. C says cookies. C says coat. C says cucumber. Yes, now we will move towards capital C. For capital C, you have to make left curve starting from the red line and you have to come down touching the blue bottom line. Again, start from the red line, make left curve touching the bottom blue line. Start from the red line, make left curve touching the bottom blue line. Yes, now move towards our words. C says cupcake. C says clock. C says car. C says cactus. C says camel. C says calculator. Yes, this way you will write C in workbook. See, this curve is not proper. So, this is not correct. This one has been done nicely. Again with capital C, see, it has come out of the blue line. So this is not correct. You have to make a proper curve. So you have to take care while writing and write small c and capital C properly. Similarly, you will write small c and capital C in the E1 notebook 20.7.20. Capital C, small c says curve. For small c, you will write within the blue line. Start from the blue line, first blue line, and touch it the bottom blue line. You have to take care that the curve should be proper and it should not go out of the blue line. You have to make left curve, that is C, small c. See, it has gone out of the blue line, so you will erase it. Again, do it properly. Yes, small c. Don't forget to say the words along with that. C says cup, C says cap. Out of the blue line, C says cap, C says coat, C says carrot, C says clothes, C says corn, C says camera. Now capital C. Capital C, you will start from the top red line and make a left curve, touching the bottom blue line. Again, start from the red line and touch the bottom blue line. It has not came properly, erase it. Yes, that's good. Try it more, better. Oh, again you have gone out of the blue line, erase it. That's better, but you can do it more nicely. Red line to blue line. So this way you will do in E1 notebook, classwork, homework. Classwork, homework in E1 notebook. Now I will tell you a story on alphabet C. In this story, you have to listen carefully and look for the words starts with alphabet C. So listen the story carefully. The name of the story is A Cow and the Cat. One day, far, far away in a beautiful farm, A cow lived happily with her calf and their friend the cat. एक दिन बहुत दूर एक सुंदर से फार्म में एक काव, एक काफ और उनकी फ्रेंड कैट रहती थी. काव के बेबी को क्या बोलेंगे? काफ. बेबी ऑफ काव इज काफ. They went someday on a picnic to the mountains nearby. In the mountains there was a big cave. एक दिन वो तीनों मिलकर पिकनिक मनाने गए एक माउंटेन के पास. वो माउंटेन के पास एक बिग बड़ा सा केव था. केव मीन्स गुफा. When they arrived, they sat to enjoy the views. The calf got curious to explore the cave. वहाँ पहुँचने के बाद वो वहाँ के नज़ारे देख रहे थे. बट जो काफ था ना, काव का बेबी, उसे वो केव के पास जाने के लिए बहुत क्यूरियस हो रहा था, तावला हो रहा था. And decided to go in. और उसने सोच लिया कि अब मैं उसके अंदर जाऊंगा. He waited until his mother got busy and entered the cave. वो राह देख रहा था कि मम्मा बिजी हो और वो उसने क्या किया? He entered the cave. वो केव के अंदर चला गया क्योंकि उसको तो उत्सुकता थी, बहुत क्यूरियस था कि केव में क्या है देखने के लिए. He was not scared और उसे डर भी नहीं लग रहा था. As he got in, a cage fell above him. जैसे ही वो अंदर गया, अरे ये क्या हो गया? उसके वो तो केज में फंस गया, पिंजरे में फंस गया. He started to shout loudly. Moo, moo. जोर जोर से चिल्लाने लगा. The mother and the cat heard the shouting. मदर कौन है? काफ की? काव. मदर और कैट ने उसकी आवाज़ सुनी और then what happened and headed toward the voice. वो भागे कि कहाँ से आवाज़ आ रही है. The cat was clever. He brought a stone and stick. He put the stone under the stick near the cage and asked the cow to push the stick down. Cat clever थी, चालाक थी. उसने क्या किया? एक स्टिक और स्टोन लाकर उधर रखा केज के पास and he put the stone under the stick. स्टोन के नीचे स्टिक डाला और काव को क्या बोला? and asked the cow to push the stick down. क्या बोला? आप इस स्टिक को नीचे दबाओ. push, दबाओ. down, नीचे. Then what happened? The mother cow pushed and the cage opened. जैसे ही मदर काव ने उसे नीचे दबाया और केज क्या हो गया? खुल गया. Everyone was happy. सब खुश हो गए. The calf promised that he would not go anywhere without her permission. काफ ने काव को क्या प्रॉमिस किया? That he will not go anywhere without mom's permission. Now tell me which words you have find out from the story related to alphabet C. capital C, small c, capital C, small c, sounds k. And the words were cage, cat, calf, cow, cave. One more time, cage, cat, calf, cow, cave. So this is the end of the story. So you have looked for the words that were related to alphabet C. Next is picture talk on good habits. Yes, good habits. अच्छी आदतें. What this boy is doing? Yes, the boy is sleeping. What that means? It means you should sleep early at night, early to bed. So you will sleep early so you can wake up early in the morning. That is early to rise. What this boy is doing? He is brushing his teeth. Yes, you have to brush your teeth twice a day. How many times? Twice a day. Once in the morning and one time in night before going to bed. Yes, take a bath daily. Drink milk every day. Drinking milk every day keeps you fit and healthy. Wash your hands before and after every meal. And you have to wash your hands whenever you come from outside to make them germ free. Clip your nails regularly. Yes, you have to clip your nails regularly, but you will not do it yourself. Your parents will do it. Get your hair cut in regular intervals. For boys, if girls wants to keep their hairs long, they can. But for boys, long hair is not good for them. So they have to get their hair cut in regular intervals. Girls having long hair can plait their hair. Yes, they should not keep their hair open. Dress up neatly. Always wear clean clothes. That will make you look smart. Respect and share and care elders. Yes, you should respect your parents, grandparents, your elder sister, brother, and you have to share the things with your friends, brothers and sister. You can see in this picture the boy is giving a cup of tea to his grandfather. In the other picture, the boy is sharing color pencil with the girl. In this picture, the boy is helping his grandmother in walking. And see how loving the siblings are. Yes, they are caring and loving to each other. You should not fight with your elder sister or younger sister, brother. Greet and help elders and others. Whenever you meet someone, you should greet them. Say namaste or good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whenever you meet anyone, you should greet them. And you should help your elders, your mama, your papa in their household work. See, this boy is offering chair to his grandmother. Whenever any elder is standing, you have to stand up and offer them to sit. And always be happy and smiling. Yes, good habits will make you happy and smiling always. God bless you.